Hi guys, so the new bar is finally open. It's called Pizza Popular. I can remember this place years and years back when we used to come on holiday. There was a little bar here, served amazing fresh orange juice, but it did sadly close down and the place became empty. So it is fantastic to see something new has gone into there. And there you go. Link you down so you can see. So,
Hola, hello.
oh, hello. No.
We're Argentinian. We do pizzas, we do calzones, cacciapuri. We do.
Making me hungry.
Oh, I know, it's so good. We do milanesas.
What, a melanesa?
Yes, it's like a breaded cutlet.
Oh, sounds delicious.
Yes, we also do some pastas and wraps, salads, sandwiches. It's all good. Personally, for me, it's all good.
Salads, amazing. Americano wraps. Oh,
That's my favorite wrap. That's my favorite thing on the menu.
Yes. I think we'll definitely have to pay a visit one of the days, definitely. So, thank you.
And we also do the starters and stuff, which is great. We do the charcuterie boards, anything really.
My son will love that.
I love it.
And drinks, you can get cold drinks as well.
Yes, we do beers, we do a few cocktails.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So thank you very much.
Yes, thank you very much.
What's your name?
My name's Jacob.
Jacob. So come and visit Jacob soon, and I'm sure that he will definitely look after you guys. And I'll just show you where we are, if I can, if this behaves.
It's alright.
Yeah. So we're right the top of the stairs here.
Yeah, at the tiny beach.
At the tiny beach, Malpaz Beach. Come up the stairs. Or of course you can come, if this be, look, absolutely the opposite way.
Yeah, opposite way, come from the church, come anywhere.
Yeah, there we go. You got Jamie Church,
We've got
the
excellent
Castel.
views. I mean, if you want to come at night, we have a great view off of our balcony seating area to watch the sunset over the city.
Fantastic. And what time do you open?
We're open at 10, I'm pretty sure.
Uh-huh.
And the kitchen closes at 11.
There you go, guys. So you can come and sit and watch the sunset. And are you open 7 days a week?
Yes, we are, to my knowledge.
Fantastic. So thank you very much,
Yes,
Jacob.
you're welcome.
So guys, come and visit this beautiful bar called Pizzeria Popular. And I hope I've said that right.